valid email ID. Sorry guys.
సార్ ఒకసారి రిపీట్ చేయరా, రికార్డింగ్ స్టార్ట్ చేయలేదు నేను, ఇప్పుడే చేశా.
Okay, yeah, sure. Yes, sure. So this is the practice server which we are going to set up for each and everyone. It's a free only. Okay, so you can get it this link from Google itself also. Let me forward this. Sorry guys, 1 second. Right, so developer.salesforce.com is the URL / sign up. This will be available in Google also. Okay, you can search it, you'll be getting. This is the previous related thing came, just it's automatically saved. You can remove all these things, you can use it. Okay, so here for whom we are creating this? For one company, right? Who is giving access to you? Salesforce company is giving it to you. Okay, so in that company, from VLR company want to use Salesforce CRM software. So for VLR Training Institute, so their Salesforce company is helping to create their initial software. Whatever the names you want, you can. For what purpose? You can give any job title, administrator or developer, whatever you want. Here we need any working email. Working email means not the work email. Any Gmail or anything is fine. Why we need valid email ID? I'll let you know. Okay, you can copy this URL which I'm using, this URL. Okay, you can enter this one. This email should be able to access by yourself. For which company we are creating? VLR Training. Okay. VLR Training Centers or VLR Solutions. This is your company name. Okay, which region you are in, from India or whatever the regions you want, you can select. Right now I'm selecting India. Select this one. So I'm not a robo. So just click on sign me up. What is saying? Almost there. Check your email. The email address which we have entered, you can go to that email, you can verify it. This is the email ID which I have entered, right? Go to inbox. Everyone will be getting this email. Welcome email from Salesforce company. So if you want to log into any of the Salesforce, what we need? We need URL, we need username, we need password, right? Here you can see it here. This is the username for your company. This is the URL. So we need password, right? You can click on password. So in other softwares, what they are doing, initially they are giving all these three details. Admin is creating all these things. They are sharing username, password and URL to you. But whereas Salesforce, even system administrator also doesn't know your password. Each and every time Salesforce company is sending a link to this email ID. For that we have to provide running or valid email address. Understand? So you can enter your password. Good match. Okay, so what are the security question you want, you can select it. Got it? Now change it. Now you are having your username, your password, and URL. Correct? This is the server which we are having. So this is the ready-made server they have given to you. Right here we are having all the software applications or the applications which we are called as a clouds, right? Marketing software we are having here. Then you can duplicate this tab. The 3 clouds which I told, right? So the next cloud is Sales Cloud.
Sales.
Yeah, here Sales Cloud is there, right? Then
Yes.
what is the cloud? Service Cloud.
Service.
These all are by default ready-made software they have given. So you can use this application for whom we are using this marketing application, marketing team purpose. Sales application for sales
Sales team.
Then service application is for service team.
Service.
All these applications are softwares are already available in the market. If you want to use, you can use it. For this, which model we are calling? Software as a service.
Service.
Another name for this one is SFDC or Salesforce.com. I don't want any modifications, means the software is enough, means so this application marketing team is using by default. Salesforce company also given some dummy data here. Okay, you can see all these things. So these are the advertisement what they are giving, when they are going to start this advertisement, when they are going to end this advertisement, what is the budget cost which they have allocated, and how much they have actual budget, what is the type of advertisement, whether it is direct or webinar or trade show or conference meet, and whether it is completed or planned or abandoned. What does it mean by abandoned? Sometimes we have planned, but due to some issues, we did not. So here we don't have create access, right? If I want to create marketing team member, I want to create new ad. Here create button is there? No. That we need to enable somewhere. So all these things which we are doing it in a setup. This is the setup page to customize all these things. Click on setup. Here the user which we are logged in, right? That user. What is the username? Here also you can go it here. Go to settings. Here you will be seeing the advanced details. Click on advanced details. Here we did not by default did not enable marketing user. That's why he is not able to creating any data in this application. Now I have enabled marketing. Now refresh it. Go to here, you can refresh it. Now he is able to creating data or not. Now new came, right? Let me create. What ad you are going to give? Salesforce give a new batch. For this demo which you are going to conference or webinar or trade show or banner or email marketing. These are the different types of advertisements, right? Then I'm planning for next month. When it will be starting, so on time. Or you want to start from today, you can start it. So first we'll create this one and it will be going for approval from our management. Then it will be ending by end of July or mid of the August. 2 weeks or 3 weeks plan which there, or else 31st of August. What is the expected for each and everything, right? So we need, what is the revenue they are expecting from this one? For example, 3 lakhs. Right? So what is the budget cost? How much we need to spend? For example, 50,000. That actual cost limit, we are not going to put. So description, what all you are doing, you are giving description. You are able to saving or not all these things? What is the status of this one? Planned. When it will be coming as started? You need this one. So once you started this one, what we are changing? Changing to in progress. Then daily we are spending some amount that which we are called as a actual cost in that campaign. So sometimes company people is not accepting this ad. Then what they are doing? They are making already started ad aborted. Aborted means the cancelled ad. Company can maintain all these things or not? Who all are from
Yes.
marketing? Sorry, yeah. Who all are working for this? Here they are going to track. Add leads. Means people who is going to members, campaign members. So it will be tracking each and everything. So in this marketing, for example, here you can see I'm giving advertisement, and for this advertisement 20 employees are working for this quarter budget which I have allocated to each and every department. As a company, I need to monitor or not? I need to monitor. If I am not monitoring what happening, we are going to lose. Okay. Okay. We are going to lose all these things. Ultimately, if I want, how I can make the decision? If I am having data, I can make the decision. So for TV ads, 20 employees are working in my company. For pamphlets distribution, 30 members are working. Right? This many employees are working for each and every advertisement. I can save this data into my software, right? Yes. How much budget I have allocated to each and every department? This is the budget. Why they have invested this much money? What is the agenda? To get some members, right? Numbers or not? Yes, to get a people. When people will come after seeing this ad, they will come and they will decide whether they will join or they will not join. Secondary. How many people are interesting or how many people came? For them, we are treating as a leads. Lead is nothing but a basic information of the customer or people. So by seeing these advertisements, how many people came? 5 people came. How much they have expended? How much they spent? 5 lakh rupees. This ad is useful for the company. No, right? Then what they will do? They will make a decision. So these 20 employees are not required to work for this ad because nobody is watching this advertisement. Then what they will do? They will remove from this department. If they are having any openings in other department, they will move. Next quarter onwards, no more TV ads in our company. Understand, guys? Like that, they can make a decision. If they want to make a decision, first they need data. If they don't have data, how they can make decisions? To take that, which is the marketing cloud. So the output of the main activity, what they are doing is they are giving advertisement. Who is going to give advertisement? marketing team members in that company. What the team is doing, who is going to track? Company management people. Hello? Yes. Yes, ma'am. You want to call? You have another number, right? 70 triple. No, they have WhatsApp number. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Sorry, guys. Okay. Okay. To make this decisions, what each company management people will monitor, will track up to date, and they will take decisions, and they will go smooth business. So the output of this advertisement is where they are going to track. They are going to track in leads. How many people are coming? Once you see this pin, just click on its ending with the list view. Here you can see all data means by default Salesforce company has given some dummy data. If you want, you can create new data. By seeing this, so how many people came from by seeing that ad, this ad, they are going to take a decision. After seeing this leads, so company is going to make a decision. Which team I would like to continue for next quarter or next year, right? Or next half year. All this data, by seeing this, they can make the decisions. If this software is not enough for you, they are going to redesign or any other tables or the table terminology we are having, that will cover later. Okay. Understand, guys? So I want this. I don't want all these three softwares. I want only one software for one of the company only. For my company only, for example. So usually, if you want to develop any software applications, right? So we need to write some coding and all those things. Nowadays, without writing single line of code also, we can develop our own. So for our institute only, I need to save all my students' data. How I can save it? Here any table is there to save? No, right? Then how they can save? So for that, the table or the object, the terminology we'll see later. So now I am going to create one table like this, like VLR SFDC students. What all I want to save here? Email. Right? I want to save all these details. Did Salesforce company given these details to store? No. Then we are going to customize these things in our Salesforce. See how we are going to customize. Just go to, for that what we need, guys. If you want to customize any of the Salesforce software, what we need? Platform. The another name for platform is force.com. So to customize, we need, by default, this is practice server, right? They have given practice platform also. So if you click on here, if you are going here, this is the platform, simply we can say. Okay, here you can see object. So you people might see in database, right? Sample. How sample database tables are there? Like this, one table is connecting with another table. Like this, database will be there, right? Like this only, right? This is the customers table. This tab, categories, products, stocks, brands, stores, like that, right? So here also, if any of the software database must be there. This all data is coming from the database only, guys. So the database which we are going to touch now. So if you want to reach database, click on here. You can go to setup. This is the setup page. Here you can see all this. Just click on schema builder. By default, standard software they have given, right? So standard database also there. See all this what? What guys, all this?
Database objects.
Database objects, right? So here we have selected. I don't want all means you can unselect, you can clear here. I want account and campaigns also means you can search for the campaign. Campaign is there. Then I want account. Account is there. And I want contact. Contact. Then case. Yes. Here this is there, right? You can see it here. This is the case object or table, right? This is the contact. You can reduce the time. Sorry, size, zoom in, right? So you can go, you can drag and drop. The echo. So where is the one more object? Campaign. Right? This is individual object. This is not connected with the any of the thing. Clear? So sir, by default, Salesforce has given all these tables. Simply we can say the table terminology got changed into Salesforce, right? The table name is nothing but a object. So within table, what and all we are having these things? This account name, assist phone number, birthday date, buyer attribute, clear status. What are these? In this contact table. In this one, these all are what, guys? What we are calling fields. This is the, for example, this is the table, right? Table name is this one. So these all are what, guys? Student ID. These all are what we are calling
Column or field.
columns, right? This is the table name.
Yeah.
What is table? Is a collection of columns,
Columns.
right? Then this is the structure which we are going to create in the database, right? Then to enter data from applications which we are entering, right? So let's verify whether Salesforce has given by default this. Students, let's search it. So here the table name got changed into object. Table is nothing but a object in Salesforce.
Object.
The column name got changed into
Fields.
Fields.
so what Salesforce is saying, Salesforce already standard things are there, right? By default, they have given some standards. So we are having standard objects and custom objects. Similarly, we are having standard fields and custom fields. If Salesforce has created means, then we are counted as a standard. If we are creating according to our company requirement, then we are counted as a custom. Understand? So shall we create this table? Shall we store the data?
Yeah.
Yes. So where all these tables are available? The table which you are called object, right? If all objects are there, then we are called as a object manager. The object manager means all list of the objects with respect of standard object or custom objects. All objects are there here. How many objects are there by default? Standard Salesforce has given. You can see here 159 plus 211 plus right? How many?
211.
211 of Salesforce by default given. So in that, whatever we want to create is there or not, we'll check it by searching here. VLR student, did Salesforce given?
No.
If Salesforce is not given, we can create. For that, what we need? The platform which we need. This is the platform. Very well. Click on create here. Create custom object. Custom object means custom means which we are creating as per our requirement. What is the object name which we are going to create? VLR SFDC students. Here also just plural name is just ending with S you can add. Here they can give an example, right? Account and account. If it is a contact, contacts. Record, records. People, people. There is no plural name for people and people, right? People's. It's up to you only. Okay? Is the name. Got it? You just check this one. Why we are creating this object? To store all
Students.
student details. Why we need to give description means, so now we are a developers, we are creating, or admins, we are creating. After some time, if we got better opportunity, what we'll do? We'll jump into another company. That new employee join into our company. He should know, right, why we have created this object. Correct? For that, always better to give description as well. Then select all these optional features. We'll see going forward what about each and every optional features. Now select all these things. Okay. Now I'm going to see the
Sorry, sir.
object which we have created. Yeah, sorry. Someone is saying something?
We have top, top we have not given plural, right?
We have
Name
given
and,
plural also.
LR students, we have given the name.
Yes.
And plural also.
Yeah, name here it is their name, right? Student, if you want student, you can give. That is up to you one. Okay. Here must be why we need students. Yes means I'll let you know now. Okay. Yeah, just save it.
Yeah, got it. Thank you.
Yeah. So this is the what we have created just now is the table which you have created. Correct? Then what we need to create again in the table? Fields we need to create, right? That columns, right? Simply we are calling student ID, student name, course name, and student phone and email. Did Salesforce given or not? We'll see. Where it is available, all fields, click on fields and relations. What all the fields Salesforce has given? Created by, last modified by, owner and name. Only 4 fields by default Salesforce is created. Did I created these fields?
No.
Who created these fields?
Salesforce.
Salesforce by default created. Then what we are calling these fields? Standard fields or custom fields?
Standard.
Standard fields.
Standard fields.
Okay. So this is the by default. In interview, they will ask you what are the standard fields available in Salesforce. Created by, last modified by, owner and name.
Name.
Okay. This name is other object means it will be other name. Other object dot name. Suppose if we are creating classes means class name. Like that prefix with the object name ending with the name. Got it? Now what you want to create? You want to create student ID. For each and every student, we are going to give one ID. Suppose VLR hyphen SFDC hyphen 00001. It will start series. For each and every student, I am not going to give any ID. System should, if you are entering name, course name, phone number, email ID, then this ID should be automatically we are generating. Okay, let's create how to generate automatically, how this format will be coming. Shall we create? How to create custom fields here? In this section, you can see it here. What is this? New. Once you put mouse over here, you can see custom field, then delete fields, deleted fields, field dependency, set history. Right. These all will see. Now we are going to use this one. Guys, here you people remember the things. You know data types, right? Integer, float, character, double string.
Yes.
What are those? Why we are using
Data types.
data? Why we are using data type?
To recognize what type of tag.
Yes, exactly what you want to save in the column or field. It is controlling by the data type. Suppose if here it is phone number is there. If you are entering ABC, that is wrong, right? If you are entering ABC,
Yes,
system will control. System will control. How system knows this field only allow numbers? Because based on the data type. Here also we are having data types. The data type which we are called as a field type data types. By default, this also they have given data types. What are the data types they have given? Auto number, formula, roll-up summary, lookup relationship, master detail, external lookup, checkbox, currency, date and time, email, geolocation, number, percentage, phone, pick list, multi-select. These all are the data type which they have given. So whatever the data you want to save in your object in that field, any of this data type will be suitable. Now, as per our data, what field data type we can use?
Auto number.
Auto number. What it is indicate? It is saying it's a system generated sequence number that uses a display format you defined. Display format means this is the format, right? Which we are expecting. This format we can give it. Then after that, this number is automatically incremented for each new record creation. Whenever you are creating new data, the data which we are counting as a record, right here. So now click on this, select this data type, then click on next. What is the field name? We are going to use student ID. See here, display format they have given, right? Display format, whatever format you want, you can give it. Just copy here and paste it. What format we want? This one. So if already we have given 4 digits, right? If you want starting number with 0 or 1, usually some people will give starting from 250, it will start from 2. 1 means it will start from. What is the checkbox? Generate auto numbers for existing records. What does it mean, guys? If already some data is created, after creating some data, you want to create this number means this will create auto numbers for already existing data. If you are checking this one right now, we did not create any data, right? Why you are creating this one, you can give description. Okay, help test or hint which we are giving, right? This is a okay. Click on next. And visible to all, just click on next, then save it. It's one field which we have created. Then what is the next field? Student name. Here student name is there. We don't want this means you can keep it. If you want to keep it, we can keep it. If you don't want, you can use the new field. Right now we'll keep it. Okay. Then course name. Course's name, we might have some confusion in the course. So for that we are giving the list values, which is nothing but a pick list values. What are all the courses we are having? Allow users to select a value from a list you defined. We are defining the list. So this field and data types will discuss each and everything going forward. Okay. You can enter the list values here. So what and all the courses in your institute you are running, that only which we are giving here simply. Visible. Got it? So then what is the next field? Student phone number. So for phone number, we are having here data type called phone. Here is the right, you can enter phone number. Each and every data type we'll see going forward once again. Okay, just creating it. If you want make it required also, we can make it. Right now I'm not making. What happening? Click on save on new. Again, it is coming to here only. Then email. Email also here we are having same data. This will be email format only, it will allow. I'm making this as a required field. Required means mandatory. If you are not giving value, it won't save it. Now all these fields is created or not? Now what we'll do? All objects are there means then we are called as a object manager. So we'll create interface. Means how we are bringing this to here in these applications. For that we are going to create a connection. That connection what we are calling here is tab. You can click on home tab here. Click on before creating a tab, right? Just verify here. I want to enter data for this. Anywhere it is coming. Here also you can check it here. Student details. If it is not there here, it will be, you can search it from here. Any student data is there here? No, right? No.
No.
When it will be coming here means for that we are creating the connection. That connection which we are called as a tab. So for this, the custom object, right? We are going to create custom object tab. For which object you want to create, select that object name here. VLR student. Then select the style. Style I'll let you know later. This is the house or something, whatever you want, you can select it. Our student means you can select the books also here. Any books is there. Any style you can select it, guys. Okay. Then click on next. I want to place this in a only one tab, right? In a your sales service marketing application, or I'm not keeping this in a marketing application. Okay, remove all. So I'm adding this into only sales and service applications. I'm not giving. Save. Done. Now verify here by refreshing. Marketing application, it won't visible here. Now go to sales application or service application. Came, right? Why the plural name is coming here? Why we need to provide plural name means the pronunciation purpose we are giving the pronunciation. So here all the list of the records is there, right? All multiple records is there. Then what we are calling accounts or account? Accounts, right? So if more records, more than one record is there, then what we are calling plural names only which we are pronouncing, right? For that we are giving that plural name. Whatever the plural name you are giving there, it will be coming to here. So we have ready, sir, I don't want this for this. I want to separate software to store all my VLR students. Yes, we can create like this separate software also. How we can create separate software? All objects are there, then we are calling object manager. Then all applications are there, then we are called as a app manager. Go to app manager, you can create your new app. The app name is VLR SFDC. Okay. Then if you want to put any image, you can put it. You can download it from here and you can images. For example, this one you want. You want to get so we just select. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to close all these things so you can upload emails. This one HTML came. HTML won't. Only JPMG, that formats only it will allow. Okay, let me convert that into. Yeah. Now go to here. VLR image got added. Got it? Now click on next. So this is not required. All these things. This application can be able to access by mobile and phone and desktop. Or then click on next. So also not required. Then just what you want. Home. So this is the home and what we have created that object, guys. VLR. This is right. VLR student. Click on next. Then I am saving it. I have created our own application and our own table for VLR. What is our application name? This is our application, right? What we have created here? VLR students. Now this application I have developed for VLR Institute. What Institute people is doing? They have given one access to him, and if any new student came, what they are doing? They are entering this one. Rajesh, what course he joined? What is his phone number? Okay. So I'm not entering any email. What it is showing? Why it is throwing error? Because this is the mandatory which we have selected, right? So just I'm giving some dummy data. Will it accept? No. Why it is not accepting? This is the
Not in mail
format or
format.
the data type which we have given at email format @email.com something. So whatever the test you want, anything you can enter. Good. This is the right format, right? So did I give entered any ID? Sorry.
Sir, actually, in this scenario also, do we get to test? Do we get any test scenarios?
Yes. Here two types of email validations will be there in real time. One is the company domain specific emails. Then another one is the external emails. External email means other than that URL, we have to verify it. Both positive and negative.
So make sure check it once the application is finished.
Yes.
So if the system is
So
taking fast details,
before we are giving this application to VLR install, you have to make sure as a tester, developer is developed this application, right? As a tester, you have to make sure each and everything is working or not.
right, but this is a very basic, right? So I'm just wondering, like, do we get the scenarios like in this situation also?
Yes, scenarios will change. Just how Salesforce system is working. What are the naming terminologies? Where we are doing all these things? Just I have created one sample application. Okay. Did I written any code? No, right?
No.
Yes. Without writing single line of code. See, VLR SFDC 001 came, right? I want to change this ID, student ID. Is it possible? No, it's not possible. Why it is not possible means this is the auto number by default system is creating. Now one more person joined, right? So right, which course one test phone number. So something he did not enter phone number. Okay. So for example, okay, then is save. So as a company, VLR MD, they want to see how many students are interested for this any of the course. Then they're going to create some more things. They are going to configure here more fields. What fields they want to configure? They can see course name, right? Their email ID and their student ID, student phone, all these things you want. This is ready for them, right? Did I written any code to create software application to create this in a database, the table to create these fields? How user friendly they are giving nowadays? This is a software application or not? Application only, but they have asked us to create only one according to their requirement. We have developed. What is this which we are calling tab? The same thing is there in backend in object manager. What we are calling in real time. What happening? Simply developers or requirement they will say. So create some survey response one of the custom object. Right? What is that custom object? Where the custom object is available. So sometimes they will say, I have created fields in account object. Where that fields are available, what data type they have created. Without knowing data type, what data type they have used. Here, suppose, what is this data type for this course? They might add later point of time. Okay, they might introduce some other courses. What they will do? They are going to add this in a backend. where they will add here, go to students and go to fields and relationships. So where is this values? The names. Click on here. They want to introduce new course called Java.NET.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sorry for the interrupt. So I have few questions about this thing regarding the object, because as a tester we cannot edit any objects or features. We need to
We
check
cannot correct.
the
Yeah.
processes.
Yeah.
So as a requirement, we get a requirement regarding the some of the object.
Yes.
So somebody say like have a create a custom object. How we
Yes.
can identify the standard object? Either is a custom object. Is there any
Yeah.
difference?
Yes, we have one common difference is there. How we can different? That is the interview question also. Okay. So for each and everything, let me complete this one and we'll see. Okay, I'll tell you that. Full stack. Okay, and SAP they have introduced, right, and some more course called AWS they have introduced. These are the new courses company introduced, right? Whenever any new employee is joined or new student is joined, this course whenever new employee is creating, right, they want to see these values, whether it's coming or not coming, right? How they are adding, where they are adding, whether it is available or not. So such type of requirements will come. Okay, that is the as per the requirement we have to validate it. They have created new fields in one of the object course name. They have added new fields, new pick list values means what is that pick list values? How do you know? The terminology wise here some difficulty is there, right? For that we are creating or we are doing this practice. Anyhow, without practicing, bit difficult to understand, bit difficult to remember these terminals, right? That's why we are practicing something. Yeah. Now I'm coming to your question. Okay. So we have standard and custom, right? For each and everything, Salesforce is generating automatically API name. For example, object. For this object, it is generated API name. This is the object API name. Right? Similarly, what are the objects we have created? Right? For this also, did we created this name? API name? No, we did not created any API names. This is a system generated one. This is system generated one. Why this? What is the use of this API names going forward? I will cover, no worries. Okay. So here, wherever that API name ending with __ C is there, this is the double underscore guys ending with. Those all are custom. Now coming to here, we have fields, right? Fields which you have created. Let me open one of the field, for example, email field. What is this? This is the API name. Sir, here field name is there. Once you click on here, you will be finding the API name here. What is this API name? Based on the API name, we can differentiate which one is standard, which one is custom. This API names they are using in backend. Got your answer?
Yes, got it, sir. But here we have one more question, because in Salesforce introduced the marker features. How we can differentiate the marker fields?
Sorry?
Marker fields.
Marker?
Fields.
Marker fields or?
Yes, marker fields.
I didn't get your question.
So we have a 3 types of fields. So
Fields.
here, so based on data type, we can differentiate the fields. Either it is auto number or pick list or
Yes.
email
Yes.
or formula.
These are the data types. We have lookup, master detail. Yes.
Yes. But
Yes,
here
sir.
in Salesforce, they introduce the marker fields also.
Marker
That is
field.
Yeah, that is also standard fields.
Okay.
So
Yeah,
as we,
these are the standard fields which we by default Salesforce is created, right? After creating the object, we have seen created by last modified by name.
yeah, this is the field, sir. I'm asked, my question is, this is the fields. I am asking the marker fields.
Marker fields.
Yes.
No, I did not hear as of now about the marker fields, guys.
Okay.
Marker fields. That is, I think, very in interview also I did not hear about in a marker fields. Junction object is there. Many to many relationships are there.
Yes, relation one to one, one to one to many, many
That
to
is
one.
which we are called as a lookup and master detail, which we are relationships are there in Salesforce. That relationship normally we are called as a joins. But this markup fields, I don't know about that markup fields. I did not hear in Salesforce. Past, I think 8+ years, I was into this Salesforce only. I could not hear any. I will check it and I'll let you know. Okay.
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 So is this standard objects, right? Is marker fields you're talking about?
So it means it's a field call is marker field start with jet, something start characters. Is out. This is a Salesforce. So newly
That is
introduced.
the relational fields you mean to say relation.
That is not relation. This is what is the use of marker fields is auto populated. Okay. So no need to do anything. This automatically where we have created because it's we not created any fields itself. Just is automatically populate. Coming from standard Salesforce. Okay.
Marker field, right?
Yes. Yes.
This is the correct name, right? Marker fields.
Yes. Yes.
No, I did not hear guys in entire as of now. Even interview also I could not hear about this marker field. I know bucket field I heard.
Because as per my knowledge, as a tester, we cannot create any object, we cannot edit any fields, but we need to check the functionality. For example, if you developer creating any email,
Yes.
whether the field value should be taken correct process or not, yes.
Yes.
Either this field is taking to
Correct.
either.
Yeah, I'll agree with you. Okay. So what is so suppose they have created email alerts. One rule they have created. Simple example. Whenever case is created, right? So some alert should go or some auto field should be populated. They have created some rule criteria, workflow rule criteria, right? Field updates or email alerts. So where it is happening in some objects, right? Which objects, then which is field. If they don't know about field, suppose they will say, I have created lookup field or I have created some pick list field. Go and check. How do you know pick a pick list field functionality here? How pick list field is look and feel? How do you know whether this is a pick list field or not? Not without creating or without practicing, we can't, right? How lookup field is displaying. How master detail field is coming. They all are the interview questions for Salesforce testers, right? What is the difference between lookup and master detail?
So master detail lookup. Lookup is just if there is a relationship with parent to child.
Yes.
So if you delete the parent record automatically, it's not related to child because it's a
Yes.
child is dependent. So
Yes.
in master detail records, if you delete the parent, automatically child would be deleted.
Yeah, that is how do you know about that? So for example, here it is there. For example, go to one of the applications, sales application or service application. What is a case? Whenever we are creating case, what and all we need? Whether this is a lookup or master detail.
This is a lookup.
How do you know?
So because this is not the contact
This is not a mandatory, first of all.
Yes,
By
yes.
default, master detail is coming as a mandatory. right? Both are even though same look and feel, but by default, master detail field is coming as a mandatory. Correct? You know, because already you have practiced, you know something about Salesforce. Correct? How about others? Others are very, very new to Salesforce system, right?
Yes, because I'm not interacting with the between. Just once you completed
Yeah.
your topic,
So
then I'm
this
asking.
course is yes, I don't know about your name. What's your Srihari or who is?
Srihari.
Yeah, Srihari. Srihari, this course is designed for all the people, not only for specific people, right? My intention is everyone should understand each and everything. So in future, suppose if you get a admin opportunity in your project, right? If you are doing all these things, it would be helpful for your future, right?
As you
Anyhow, we
are
must have to learn admin concepts or navigations or terminologies, the functionalities. Without learning, we can't able to perform testing, right?
yes. I'm not. I don't know your name. I think I can I call
Yes, sir.
Venkat.
Yeah. Yes, sir. My name is yeah.
Okay, case.
Yeah.
Yes, you are right, but the people is confused. If you're going to do explain to the admin task, because
Yes.
as a tester we cannot do anything. Yes.
But in interview, they will ask, right? 200%
Interview.
they will ask.
So because I would not say that
As
because
a
interview.
Salesforce tester, also they will ask all these things. How you will differentiate which one is standard, which one is custom, what are all the standard fields available in Salesforce, what is a profile, what profile contains, what is a permission set, why we are using permission set, right? What is the difference between so how we can establish the field dependency, right?
Yes,
What
yes,
are
yes.
correct? These are
Yes, yes.
things
You are.
we can remember if you are doing some practice, or else we'll forget, right? In between two pick list fields only we can create field dependency, right? So in that we have one is the controlling field, one is the dependent field. Correct? Which one is the dependent field? Which one is the controlling field? Can you make multi-select pick list as a controlling field? These answers are the questions they will ask in interview. They are asking. Can we make controlling field as a checkbox field?
No,
There,
okay, sir. Okay.
right?
No,
We
no.
don't know, right? So act is a
Yes.
checkbox field. So these are all things, guys. This is course is designed for not only for just learning purpose, right? Even tester also they are asking all these questions.
So
Tester also they are asking. I've seen many. These are all questions they are asking. Earlier days,
so
long back, they might not ask all these things by seeing the differences, or they might given job initial time. Nowadays, everyone is expert in a Salesforce, right? Yeah. Any other questions from anyone? Guys, everyone should practice, should know if you are getting any opportunity to work as admin, you people are eligible to that kind of role as well. Without practicing, just we are doing this, it's a bit difficult to remember all these terminologies. So today that the basic terminology between objects, right? So the table simply which are called as object. Within object we are having fields. Both standard objects are there, custom objects are there. Similarly, standard fields are there, custom fields are there. Standard fields by default Salesforce is given. Standard objects also by default Salesforce has given. And then whereas coming to records, this data which we are called as a normally rows, right? That rows in Salesforce which we are called as a records. Why we are creating this software? To maintain the records in different objects, right? If you are giving this software to companies or customers or the clients, so before giving it to the clients, we should check this, right? Whether it is properly designed, properly working or not, all logics which they have built, whether it's according to the logic, whether it's working or not, which we have to make sure as a tester, right? Understand?
SSKL.
Yeah. Any other questions from anyone? Without practicing, you people will remember, bit difficult to remember all these things. That's why you people have to practice all these things. For that, I'm going to set up practice server for each and every one. People have to. In future also, if you are having one more skill set in your hand, right? Slowly, we may not entering into IT as a tester. Then you people also should move to next roles, right? Admin or developer, some kind of roles, right?
Sir, is this you're gonna cover the manual testing as well? Because this
Yes,
is Salesforce
complete. Yes, completely.
and automation too.
No, no automation. Only admin and manual.
Yeah, because nowadays even if even they are here for the only manual testing, they're asking automation as well.
Yes, automation also they are asking, but we don't have automation here. It will take 3 to 4 months of Selenium or Tosca means or some other tools are there, automation specific automation tools that will take another 2 to 3 months of time. Selenium means it will definitely it will take 4 months. And
సార్ రేపు ఫ్రీ సెషన్ ఉంటుందా సార్?
sorry,
నేను వెంకట్ని అండి, వెంకట్ని. రేపు సెషన్ ఉంటుందా మనకి?
ఉందండి, డైలీ ఉంది.
అంటే నేను అనేది ఫ్రీ సెషన్ లేకపోతే పెయిడా?
అది విల్ డిసైడ్, ఐ లెట్ యు నో అండి. యా,
ఓకే అండి. సో
yes.
ఇప్పటికి మనకు ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ అయిందా సార్?
దిస్ ఇస్ రెగ్యులర్ క్లాస్ లో ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్.
ఇది ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ కదా. రేపటి క్లాస్ కూడా ఫ్రీ ఉంటుందండి. రేపటి క్లాస్కి అటెండ్ అవ్వండి. ఎల్లుండి నుంచి అంటే మండే నుంచి మనకి పెయిడ్ సెషన్స్.
యా, ఫ్రమ్ మండే ఆన్వర్డ్స్ వి ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు స్టార్ట్
పెయిడ్ సెషన్స్. అంటే దీనికి కంటిన్యూషనే ఉంటాయి. రెండోది మీకు అది కోర్స్ కాస్ట్ గురించి ఎవరైతే మీకు జాయినింగ్ పంపించారో వాళ్ళకి కాంటాక్ట్ అవ్వండి. అలాగే మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎవరైనా ఉన్నా రిఫర్ చేయండి.
Guys, my course is designed end to end, guys. Myself only providing training end to end on Salesforce admin part and Salesforce testing part, manual testing with Salesforce. Okay, here I am going to take care till your profile uploading into Naukri. I am only preparing the resume. I am only preparing the self introduction, how to introduce. I am only giving the module wise interview questions and answers. Our course is Salesforce admin, manual testing, and implementation methodologies, both agile and waterfall, and defect management, and some real time workshops. After completion of all these things, I'm going to prepare resume and explaining projects, and then we are going to upload into Naukri or LinkedIn, wherever you want, any of the portals.
Okay, that's good. Can I know what are the modules you covered in admin?
Yeah, admin, we have course content, right? So let me share.
So don't want brief, just you can give me what are the.
Yeah, sure. So complete object management, object manager, object creations, and within objects we are having list of the fields, right? Here the page layouts and record types, right? And field dependencies, set history, and this triggers and high level, which we are discussing about that one, and validation rules, right? And workflows, coming to workflows, is a backend. Okay, process automation, as part of process automation workflows. Anyhow, workflows we are not using nowadays in a live system, but interview they are asking workflow actions. Okay, workflows, these are, they have completely removed in here. And as part of this workflows, all workflow actions and flows and approval process, and coming to user management, complete user management. Okay,
Okay.
all these things and the flow, how data is flowing in sales cloud, service cloud, mainly focusing on sales and service clouds. Where it will be starting sales cloud, where it will be ending, what are all the functionalities included, like lead conversions, okay, opportunity creations, right? We'll convert in the lead. Within
Sir,
opportunity,
but
sorry.
yeah, okay, yeah, okay, that's fine. But in this org, we cannot able to access all of the modules. Yes.
Sorry.
So in the development org, we cannot
Okay.
able to access the all modules. Yes. Like flows, we cannot able to access. We cannot
Who
able
told?
to.
Here it is their flows. These are the flows, right? You can
Okay.
flow. Trigger flow is there. Auto launch flow is there. Yeah, these are trigger.
One
schedule,
question.
Screen. Yeah.
The flows itself is automation, right, sir?
Yeah, process automation which they are using in Salesforce, not automation testing. This is the business process automation purpose they are using.
Okay.
Okay, this is this automation testing is different. Here, this is different. This is usually developing by the admin. Developers. They will design these flows, but as a tester also we should know these flows. Why? Because they are asking in interview what are the flows. Record triggered flow, screen flow, scheduled flow, auto launch flow, right?
We are covering full of everything, right, sir?
Guys, till interview, okay, out of 100%, right? 100% questions which I will be covering. Only thing is scenarios, how they will ask. Most of the scenarios also I will cover. Real-time scenarios. Sometimes suddenly they are asking write a test cases for car door, write a test case for pen. That we can't expect. Right? Except that scenarios, everything, whatever is required for testing, more than that, which I will be covering in here. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Even
Okay, sir. Thank you.
SOQL also I will be covering, guys. Back and how to interact with the database by using Workbench, how we can write SOQL queries, how we can fetch data if that is not available or some hidden fields is there, right? How we can validate those by using SOQL directly. We are connecting to database. How to write this basic queries. So if you doesn't know how to write, how system is helping, for example, so which object we have created? VLR, right? So this is the
This
object.
so this data loader part is so like
Yeah, data loader, import wizard.
export visual.
Yeah, how to update using here. Suppose you can see it here, right? What is our things, right? So email, right? ID. What is this ID also? Should be. So
For
these
this
are
we
the
can use
API names.
Salesforce.
Yeah, backend only which we are using. These are the names which we have created, right? Directly fetching, connecting to the database, we are fetching. If this field is not there in the UI, which is application, right? You can see it here. See, same data is there here also, right? But the ID student ID 11001002 is there. Here also we can see 001002. Sometimes we as a tester, we should validate. Sometimes these fields are not available on the page level. They might not needed in the page level while design time. You should not leave whether that field is working or not, right? Whether the field functionality is working or not, right? Understand? Any other questions from anyone?
Okay, sir.
No, all good.
Yeah, each and everything I will take care, guys. Okay, but you people have to do hard work.
సార్ డ్యూరేషన్ ఎంత సార్ ఈ కోర్స్ కి?
So 45 days. 45 to 50 days it will take, guys.
ఓకే. సో రేపు కూడా సేమ్ టైం లో క్లాస్ ఉంటుందండి?
No change in the timings, sir.
ఓకే.
Until we complete this batch, okay, no change in the timings, 8 to 9 or 9:15 or 9:20. Sometimes it might extend 5 to 10 minutes. Sometimes I will close bit early, 5 to 10 minutes, because it depends on the topic. I will extend. Okay, so those who want to do practice daytime, right, you people can come to offline as well. I will be available in store going forward. Okay, from next week onwards.
అంటే మీరు ఇండెక్స్ టాపిక్ వైజ్ కూడా ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారా సార్?
Sorry,
ఇండెక్స్ అంటే కోర్సు డీటెయిల్ ఇండెక్స్ వైజ్ మీరు మొదల్లో ఇస్తారా?
no, we are not, but only interview wise, in module wise interview questions I will give.
అతను అడిగేది కోర్స్ కంటెంట్ అడుగుతున్నారు సార్ ఆయన.
Course content,
I'm asking
module
about the
wise
course
notes.
content. Yeah.
Notes means this I will share. What are the discussions we are doing, right? That time if you want I will share it. Okay.
What I am asking, will you provide the index topic wise, and you are covering the topic wise every day like that?
Yes.
సార్ మన దగ్గర
Yeah,
ఎక్సెల్ షీట్ ఉంది కదా సార్, మీరు నిన్న చూపించారు కదా.
Yes. This is the thing. This is which we are going to cover. Okay.
Okay.
You mean course content or how it would be that notes?
అతను అడిగిన
I'm asking the course.
Okay. Index. Okay.
Sorry, I'm asking. Yeah, I'm asking the course index and every day wise topic what you are going to cover, and on that actually you are going to explain and.
Yes. So here course content, like here you can see relationship means this is there, right? So more than that which I will be covering, because the data types here we may not mention all these things, right? Because it may take 10 pages or content. Okay. Now more than that which I will be covering, guys. No worries.
సార్ అతను అడుగుతున్నారు డైలీ కోర్స్ డైలీ నోట్స్ ఏమన్నా ఇస్తారా అడుగుతున్నారు సార్.
Notes and ఇవి షేర్ this we can share it అండి. మనం ఏవైతే రన్నింగ్ నోట్స్ రాస్తున్నాం ఇక్కడ ఇవి షేర్ చేయటమే మనం. Suppose today we discussed all these things, right? We can share it. So important topic interview, how they will ask, suppose for modules or anything is there, that I will share. I will give time to make a note on this. In the class itself only I will say, yes, this is the interview question, they will ask like this. If you can make a running note or how we want. Suppose, right, they may ask you how you will differentiate. I think Sridhar or someone asked, right, how you will differentiate which one is standard, which one is custom, sir. That is interview question. Many times they ask me that. I'm saying discussing, right, you people can make a note on that part. I will say very important, they will ask you in interview like this. But recently or the real time interview questions and answers means I can share. Got it? Yeah, like this they will ask you what happening in sales and service triggers. Okay, all these things I will share you. These documents I will share, module wise questions answer sheet I will share.
ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
Any other questions from anyone?
No, Kushal, this is Sriyani. Can you please stay in 2 minutes? I need to discuss with you.
Sure, definitely.
సో రికార్డింగ్ ఆఫ్ చేస్తున్నానండి నేను.
Yeah, you can stop the recording. Yes.
సో మీకు ఏమైనా ఇంటర్వ్యూ సపోర్ట్ సచ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్